Hello guys and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to create a personal blog website using Shopify. First, we're going be sure to check the link in the description for a 3 days free trial of Shopify and also a $1 for 1 month one-time deal. So without further ado, let's get going. First, we're going to go over here to our product section and we're going to click on add product. Here we're going to start uploading all of the information for our products. For example, we're going to start with our title, and for example, we have our movie recommendations. We're going to copy our title and then we're going to go over here to the description on generate text and we're going to paste our title. We're going to click on generate so that Shopify is going to generate an automatic description for us using its built-in AI. So here we can either choose to generate a description again, or we can just going to click on keep to keep the one we already have. For media, we're going to click on upload new and we're going to choose an image, for example this one, for our product. Below our image we're going to have our category section, and usually Shopify is going to choose a category for us and it's almost always going to be correct. So if it's incorrect, we can just click over here and change it to whichever one we would like. On our right, we're going to have a product type, a vendor, a collections, and a tax section. For example, we're going to put over here that it's a service. For collections, make sure that you always add your products to your homepage collection. And for tax, we're going to put, for example, blog. Here for the pricing, we can choose a pricing for our product. For example, I'm going to charge around 20,000 pesos for this, and our cost per item is going to be around the 9,000 pesos. So we would have an 11,000 pesos profit at a 55% margin of profit. For inventory, we are just going to uncheck this because we're not going to keep track of inventory. And in case we're going to do any kind of shipping here, we can also assign a weight to our product. Once we are done, we're going to click on save. And as you can see, we would have our first product uploaded. So next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click over here on add product, and I'm going to keep uploading all of the products on my online store. So I'll be back with you guys once I'm done. As you can see here, I have added the rest of my products. I have added a restaurant recommendations, everyday life blog, and my books recommendations product. So next we're going to go to our online store and we're going to start to customize it. First, we're going to be able to change our theme. If we go down, you can see that Shopify is going to give us a bunch of free themes to use. And if we want to see more of them, we can go over here to the Shopify theme store, and here we're going to be able to see a lot more different themes. Some of these may better suit our website, but for me, I'm just going to stick with the default one for now. So back over here, we're going to click on customize, and here we're going to have a lot of different sections that we can customize for our website. Each section is going to be outlined by a blue line, and right over here you can see that we can see the name of the section. On our right, we're going to have a lot of different options to customize our section. So for example, this is our image banner. So we're going to click on select to choose an image here on add images for our banner. Once it's done processing, we're going to click over here on done. And as you can see, the image of our banner is going to change. Next, we're going to click over here on our heading and we're going to put, for example, welcome to my personal blog website. As you can see, the text over here has now changed. Now let's say that we want to add a new section to our website. We're going to go over here to the template and we're going to click on add section. Here we're going to have a lot of different options such as featured collection, featured product, collections list, and a lot more sections for us to add. For me, I'm just going to keep with my featured product, and as you can see right at the bottom, a new section is going to appear. Here at the very top right, we're going to click select and we're going to choose a product to be displayed on our section. For example, I'm going to choose my everyday life blog, and as you can see, now my product is being displayed on my new section. So let's say that we want to change this section up a bit. For example, we're going to change its color scheme and we're going to choose a nice dark theme for our new section. Now let's say that right over here we have added a new section by mistake, for example, a featured collection, and we want to delete it. What we're going to do is we're going to make sure that we have the section we want to delete selected, and right over here on the bottom right we're going to click on remove section so that you can see our section is going to be removed. Now we can also add sections to our footer. Right over here we can add an email sign up and a custom liquid, and the same goes for our header. We can also add a custom liquid and an announcement bar. Another very important thing about our header is that right over here our store's name is going to be displayed. So how do we change it? Well, first we're going to save our changes. We're going to go back and we're going to go to the home page of Shopify. Here we're going to click on name your store, name store again, and here we're going to be able to change our store's name. For example, I'm going to put personal blog. Whoops, let me put my, and here we're going to save our changes. Now, in order to make sure that everything is correct, we're going to go back to our online store. We're going to click on the three dots right here and we're going to click on preview. This is going to redirect us to our website, and as you can see right over here on our header, our store's name has now changed. Here we can go down to make sure that everything else is set up just the way we want, and once we are done checking our website, we are going to go back to the analytics and marketing section. Here we're going to be able to see our total sales, our sales by channel, our our total orders, the average order value, and a lot more information such as which products are going to be the most popular amongst our customer, which is going to be really helpful for us in order to maintain, customize, and manage our website and our business all from the same place. Lastly, I wanted to show you the discount section here. If we click on add discount, we're going to choose an amount of products. We are going to be able to choose a to customize, a discount for our online store. Here we can choose a code for our discount. We can be, for example, blog 101, or we can choose right over here on generate random code, and Shopify is going to provide a code for us. Here we can choose which kind of discount it's going to be, either a fixed amount or a percentage. I'm going to choose a percentage, which is going to be around 10% discount. Below it, we're going to be able to choose to which collections our discount is going to apply to. For example, if we click on browse, we are going to choose our homepage collection. So now all of the products on our homepage would have our this discount ready for use. If we keep going down, you can see that we also have further options to customize our discount. For example, the minimum purchase requirements for it, the customer eligibility, the maximum amount of uses it has, the combinations, and lastly, right over here, if we click on set end date, we can choose an expiration date for our discount. For example, I'm going to choose the 26th, and once we are done customizing our discount, we are going to click over here on save, and as you can see, we would have our first discount ready to either post on social media, maybe gift to a friend, or just use however we would like. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to check the link in the description for a 3 days free trial of Shopify, and also that $1 for 1 month one-time deal. Be sure to like, subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll see you guys next time.